Okay guys, so I actually have this that I bought from TJ Maxx. I just took it out of the box. This is Impressions Vanity Company Touch XL Plus Bluetooth LED Makeup Mirror. Can you guys guess how much I paid for this? You wouldn't believe it. I just dropped like some water on it, but it was $29.99. So I actually have it out of the bag. I don't know what that is. So it's very protected. I like that. So here's the mirror itself. The speaker. I bought it because it's Bluetooth. Oh, that's not good. I don't think that's supposed to be like that. We'll see. And it comes with a little mirror, or a close-up mirror. The little holder. I need to get a USB like wall port, so I'm just gonna connect it to the thing. Okay, hold on. Is this wrong? No, it should be like that. I don't want to do this wrong and break it. Oh my gosh. Hold on, guys. Hold on. I know it. Thanks to my mom, she got it. So it's now there. Little tray. And it does go up and down, but not side to side. It won't move vertical. It'll say vertical. Okay, now I'm gonna plug it in. Where is the plug? Right there. There's a plug in the back. Those are the buttons, power buttons. It tells you auto off, power, skip, pause, next. Okay. So I'm gonna go find a cube to fit this in and I'll be right back. So I got the cube, I'm gonna plug it in. Okay. So let's look at this together. On. Okay. Oh, cool. So this is the light. I think it only has one setting. Okay. So push the button in the middle. That brings on the light. Okay, and then just push the power button for the speaker. So let me go my phone. Oh, I'm recording with my phone. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, that tells you my day. I'm recording with my phone and went to look for it. Mom, can I use your phone? Okay, so I have my mom's phone. Hold on, let me turn off. Okay, is it on? Okay, should be on. Try again.
Watch this short video to get 30 minutes of uninterrupted listening.
Give me a second.
When the sun's down, riding all these highs.
I'm gonna pause it because it's gonna YouTube is gonna mark me down for music copyrights. So it says Bluetooth, so I'm trying to find it. Let me see it. I'm trying to find it. There you go. Hold the power button.
Bluetooth mode.
Dang, the light turned on by itself. Okay, I think this is it. The DC one. Connected. We're connected. Cool. So go back to the music.
Waiting for the calm down. Walk these streets with me.
That is loud.
I'm doing decently.
Wow.
Just glad that I can breathe. Yeah. I'm trying to.
So that's the highest it goes. And then you can just lower it. That's awesome. Best 30 bucks I've ever spent. Now let's go to the website and see how much this costs, because I know it's going to be a lot more than 30 bucks. So let me go to impressions. Okay, so let me go to their website, mirrorimpressionsvanity.com. Give me some light while we're at it. Hollywood Vanity mirrors. Okay. You okay? Let me see. I'm looking for... Okay, I need to find makeup mirrors. There we go. Duh. Touch Pro LED makeup mirror. Oh, I guess I was wrong. Do I hold? So, what is this called? Where did I leave the box? Okay. It says Touch XL plus Bluetooth. Touch XL, I'm sorry, I can't talk. Touch XL dimmable LED makeup mirror with Bluetooth. I think this is the only one. Okay, so maybe I was wrong, but that's... What's the difference between these two? Oh, okay. So if you want a mirror just like this one with no Bluetooth, it's $32.99. So you can have the light and the suction cup, but you won't have music. But with this one, you can get it music. So you'll get this on their website with, so it's Touch XL dimmable LED makeup mirror with Bluetooth for $55.99. It's 56 bucks. So that's a total of $26 more. So I saved 26 bucks. Isn't that cool? So there it is, just to show you guys. You guys can see that. So yeah, go to TJ Maxx and save yourself 26 bucks. And I'll be here listening to music. I actually like the song.
I'm a motherfucking train wreck.
Okay, never mind.
I don't wanna.
Whoa there. I've only heard the not explicit one, and that was explicit. So is that how you say it? So yeah, this is my unboxing of the Impressions Vanity Touch XL plus Bluetooth. So give me a thumbs up if you liked it. Do I recommend it? Yes, I do. I'm gonna try it out and see how it works. But here it is one more time. It's as big as my face or bigger, and it has a little cubby, little spot for your stuff, and the power button. It does require a USB, so you need to have it plugged in. I'm not sure at all times, but you need to have it plugged in. It says rechargeable, so I think once you charge it, yeah, you can charge your LED vanity mirror simply by using the provided USB wire. So you can charge it and I guess take it on the go. But yeah, so that's my review for the thumbnail. Okay, bye. Bye. Okay, guys, make sure you give it a like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye. So, okay, guys, so welcome back to my channel. I'm not sure if I'm going to include this in my other review or my first impression of my new mirror, my makeup mirror. If you don't know what I'm talking about, it's either because I haven't uploaded it, and I will, or if you do, it's because I already uploaded it, or I might just put this and that together. I don't know yet. Okay, but here I have the Better Homes and Gardens. It's a square or cube organizer. It came out to $60. Yeah. $60 on sale. I think it's on sale. Usually $70. I'm not sure. I'll leave the link in the bio. This is from Walmart. Yeah. So I got it white. So this is my closet before. So much clothes. I really have so much clothes. And this one is the same brand, but that's a 6 cube. This is a 4 cube. So I believe it's gonna be the same height, but a 4 cube. So yeah, let's go ahead and start assembling this. Okay, thank gosh, I have this. Okay, so this is all the pieces taken out of the box. Thanks. Oh, I get magazines from them. Cool. 12 issues. Okay, so let's start processing. Let's start the process.
¿Qué tan grandes están los tornillos?
Oh, I think it's gonna work. Check.
They're using a hammer here.
What the heck?
You better read all the instructions before you do anything.
Check this to see if it's the right one, Mom.
Yeah, you have to put in the wood pieces first with the hammer. These little wood pieces.
Yes, I know.
And then after you put the screws in.
Can you just check and make sure it's the right size?
No, this is a different one. Well, you probably can use it, but looks like different. Okay, go get a hammer.
I don't have one.
We have one in the cajon ahí.
Can you get it?
Yeah, that's kind of small.
So I laid it out. Nothing's connected yet. They're all separate pieces.
Well, make sure you do it right.
And here's all the stuff that it comes with. And the instructions. So let's begin. It says I need a flathead and a Phillips head. Did you hear me? I need a flathead and a Phillips head for the screwdrivers. Okay, insert 2 wood dowels into one part. One part. The partition board. Insert 4 wood dowels into the second one. It's on the side. It's showing on the side. So, is it these ones? Or this side? Because one has 2. How do you go from the side, though? What? Am I doing this wrong? Wait, that's why. I'm looking at the wrong one. Yes, this one. I see those 2. Because these are for the screws and that's for the wood. Okay, so let me get these pieces out.
Right now.
So I have the piece of wood. And I'm going to put it right there. Right. Okay. And then just do that for the top and the bottom. Bring it over. And I push it until it goes all the way in, or as far as it goes. Okay. They're labeled. See how that one says C1? Yeah. So I'm gonna get the other side, other D, and put the holes in, so I'll be right back. So we've put all the wood pieces. How do I tell you? So the wood goes on the side. The wood goes on the side, and then we just connected them all with the wood. Like a puzzle.
Where'd it go?
So now I'm gonna have to screw it in with the screwdriver. And it comes.
Por ahí.
What, Mom?
Me cayó una tuerca.
It says that those go in there.
Okay, here's the other ones.
So let me see. Take them out. Okay. So it's gonna go closed one in there. No, wait. Closed goes first, so that means.
The closed one is this one, yeah. And then this one on the outside.
Wait, what? No,
The closed one.
Look. The open one is closer to the nail, so it's open and then closed. Okay, so I'm just gonna show you the top. The top 2 are in. This is the last one for this side. So you just connect it as soon as I do. Okay, there we go. Come on. Okay, and this one I can just twist it. And then it's gonna get tighter. That's good enough. And then I'm gonna put these to cover it. That's what they're for. Ta-da! So you don't see anything. Super cool. These are really cool. What do they look like? Just like that. Okay. This is quick and easy. Once you know what you're doing, it takes maybe 20-30 minutes to put together. Okay, let me flip it over just really quickly. That's what it looks like. It's not even exactly the same. Oh, that got dirty. Hopefully I can wipe it off, or I'll just use it as a backside. Okay, guys, so this is what my 4 cube looks like afterward. I already have some fall decorations, as you can tell. I love fall. I'm so excited. And that's my new one. My old one was there, if you guys remember. I switched it out. I put it over here. So the cubes are from Walmart. And so is this. That's from Walmart, the thing, yeah. I also have a nightlight. Don't judge. It's a wax warmer and nightlight, so it smells so good. And look at that. It's so pretty. And it matches my bed sheets perfectly. So, yeah. Super excited and happy with it. Yeah. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. What is that? Oh, it's just dust from the dryer. I have to sweep right now, but yeah. Okay, bye.